Good morning. Hey, hi. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Kuya Caleb, come here. Say hi. Hi. Shakey's delivery.
Yung ba ayaw niya?
Mga sugalera. Bawal yan. Okay, so the instructions online that I found, which I will link down below, is pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna follow that. So now I just put about half a cup of white sugar into cacerola. Cacerola, diba? Cacerola. And I'm gonna wait for that to melt and turn brown until it's caramelized. So that's our first step. This is how it looks like without anything happening to it yet. It's been there for about 2 minutes. And I think it's gonna take long if it's like this. Medyo madaming sugar eh. Update on my sugar. It's turning a little bit brown na. Natutunaw na siya. Yay! Okay, so I took it out of the fire, and this is what it looks like now. I don't know why it's boiling, but I think it smells a bit burnt. What am I gonna do? Is it supposed to smell like this? I messed up the first one. I was right, it was sunog. So I'm gonna be extra careful with this one. We're gonna make sure na hindi siya sunog. And itong pot na to, it's white. So I have a better chance at seeing if it gets too dark. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and place half a cup there. Half a cup of white sugar. And we're gonna pray that it's not sunog. It's a good color now. Look. I'm really sure you guys. But okay, I think I got it, guys. Ito na yun. Ate Pen, tignan mo.
Oh, dapat ganyan lang.
Yay! It's the perfect brown. Hindi pala siya like the brown that I thought. It's like yellow brown, ganon. Tapos, yung with regards to like tapos, kung saan yung lalagyan, this is all that I found. So, ito na lang. Papagtsagaan na lang natin. Unless, I can...
Take back naman.
Init. Medyo mainit ah. Okay, so, ito na yung final na caramelized sugar natin. And then, ito yung lalagyanan natin ng leche flan. It's a bit small, pero ito lang yung nahanap ko. And then, 2 pieces lang siya. So, di ko alam how that will work. But, I think this will do.
Yeah.
Ate Pen, parang pwede pa ng isa. So, now we have clean hands. We are now eligible to bake. So, materials you'll need is 1 big bowl for everything, a whisk, and then you'll need 2 bowls to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. And then you'll also need a measuring cup, 1 cup, and then you'll need 1 teaspoon. And then for the ingredients, we need 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, and then 1 cup of fresh milk. Wala naman silang specify na brand. But, sabi nila, if you have no fresh milk, you can use the evap. So, first things first, we got to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So, it's gonna be a long process, I think. I hope I don't mess it up. Before we officially start the baking process of this leche flan making, we have to wash your hands always. In this channel, we promote honesty and integrity. So, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Nakapasag ako ng isang egg, but that's it. I stopped there. So, now we have 10 egg yolks complete. Now we're gonna put them in this big bowl. We're gonna whisk them together. Whisk. Now we're gonna add our condensed milk. 1 whole can. They said 14 ounces, but walang ounce na nakalagay dito, so just gonna put it all there. Okay, now we're gonna whisk this all up. And then we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon ng vanilla extract. That's 1 teaspoon. And then 1 cup of fresh milk. Fresh pa ba to, Ate Pe? Yeah.
Bukas ko lang yung cup.
Fresh. 1 whole cup.
Ulit dalawa yung pamangking ko. Ano siya? Alas pa.
Pwedeng evap or fresh milk. Kahit ano. Okay, now mix it all together and you know they got the best of both. Ayan na, it looks more like ano na, leche flan, no? Tignan mo. Mukha na siyang leche flan.
Bubbles yan. Kasi dapat pag nag-mix daw, ganun lang daw.
Ah, hindi mo sinabi!
Kaya tinan mo, bubbles yan.
Bawal ba magka-bubbles?
Oo.
Bakit?
Sabi ng pamangkin ko, yun na naman niya si patay.
Bakit di mo sinabi sa akin? Ganun ako ng ganun mag-mix. Hindi pala ganun. Pero wala nang bubbles, oh. Oh.
Patay natin pag naluto.
Ano?
Pag naluto na siya.
Pag naluto, walang bubbles. Oh, ma. Okay, so we have the lalagyanan here with the, caramelized sugar. So now, we gonna pour it. We've got a bit of a problem. So, dahil hindi ako nagbasa ng instructions, dapat pala preheat ko yung oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit before I did everything else, so that the oven was already heated by the time the leche flan is ready. But I didn't do that, so now I have to wait. Okay, so nandito yung leche flan natin inside, and then what I did was I covered it with tin foil. And then, I placed it inside an old rice cooker. Tapos, we're supposed to fill it up with water. I filled it up with enough water. Di ko lang kung bakit nagganyan yung water. I think dahil natapon yung ibang mixture. Flans are in the oven. It's all good. It says to wait for 50 minutes. But of course, we have to do our part and check in on it. Every siguro mga 20 minutes. Okay, tinanggal ko na yung foil. I think it's all good. Aray! Ang init! Masakit yun. I don't know if it's cooked, but I'm hoping it is. Papalamigin ko muna yung...
Look.
What?
Medyo tumitigas na siya. Just wait for it.
Kasi para siyang ano eh.
Lagay mo sa ref. Pero huwag muna, mainit.
Hindi, mainit. Fresh. Anyways, so, habang iniintay ko, kasi I put the flans in the ref. So, habang iniintay ko siya lumamig, which hindi pa siya malamig, naligo muna ako. So, now, we're gonna check what's up. We're gonna flip it over na, which is the real test. If I failed or not. Well, obviously, there's the taste test. Pero, what's the other? So we're having tacos tonight. My brother bought stuff and prepared it. And we're having tacos. Moment of truth. Ano ba to? Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Parang tinatanggal lang natin siya sa pagka-stick. Okay. Let's check, guys. Oh my gosh, ano nangyayari? Kuya, ayaw! Ayun, okay na. Okay. Wow! Feeling good.
The last is the lasa.
Yeah, the last is the tastiest. Parang may ano pa. Taco time.
Napilin Taco Tuesday. Ay, sorry ko.
Yummy!
I'll get you sabaw. Ito. Ito, kumakain ka ng ano, miso.
Dapat
Great American Divide.
Yes, Amar.
Mama Joy! Mama Joy!
Pero pag hindi ko itong pwede ako, gusto crack na ilalim.
creamy. Ito malayo.
Sarap, masarap. Nakakalahati na niya, so nagsabi masarap.
Ano lang yun na Emma?
So maghahati-hati tayo sa isa.
Yan, gusto mo yan.
Yes!
10 out of 10.
9.
Ay,
Adrian, kinigan mo Sprite coffee.
anong
Masyadong
kulang?
creamy eh.
Itignan ko lang kung may lamang pa. Wala.
Condensed milk yun.
Paano naman sila kakain? Wala.
Kulang sa tigas.
Meron din tigas?
Pray.
I'm gonna pray na Koy. Diba you know how to pray? Angel of? You know how eh. Can I see your teeth? Still so bungi. Bungi. It hurts, no? It hurts. Okay, but I need my phone. Okay, so before we end this vlog, we're going to end it with a prayer. Every 9 o'clock p.m., every single night except on Sundays, my family and I pray the rosary, so it's time to do that.
Ay, naku, my chair.
Okay, so dahil hindi ko natikman yung leche flan ko kanina, let's taste it now. Wait lang, bakit? Yan. Okay. Let us taste. Masarap. Okay. I did not expect. Ang sarap, Ate Pen.
Ikaw pa yan.
Hmm?